Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to save a web page as a PDF in Google Chrome. Whether you want to save an article, a recipe, or any other important information, creating a PDF file can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and navigate to the web page you wish to save. Ensure that you have the page fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Locate the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. This is known as the Google Chrome menu. Step 3. Once the menu is open, scroll down and find the Print option. Give it a click to proceed. Step 4. In the Printer section, select Microsoft Print to PDF from the available options. This feature allows you to save the web page as a PDF file instead of physically printing it. Step 5. Now click on the Print button to proceed to the next step. Step 6. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for the PDF file. Provide a descriptive and relevant name that will help you easily identify it later. Step 7. Choose a convenient location on your computer or device where you would like to save the PDF file. You can select a specific folder or simply save it to the default download location. Step 8. Finally, click on the Save button to save the web page as a PDF file. And there you have it. You have successfully saved a web page as a PDF file in Google Chrome. This method is not only convenient, but also allows you to access the information offline and easily share it with others. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.